Okay, we are now on page number 63 on third paragraph, second and third paragraph. But something slowly began to dawn on me. I still loved what I did, and so I decided to start over. Start over means once again start my life. The heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again. He was very happy. Steve Jobs was very happy. Why was he happy? That when he was in the Apple company, that time he had a lot of responsibility on his shoulders. Now when he was fired out, he became very happy that now my responsibilities have gone. Now from the heaviness, I am experiencing a lightness of a new beginner. And so it is one of my most creative periods of my life. So he did not give up. He started his life once again. During the next 5 years, I started a company. During the next 5 years, what did he do? He started another company. Next, another company named Pixar. You know the company very well. And fell in love with an amazing woman who would become my wife. And that time he fell in love with one of the girls over there. Okay, Pixar is now the world's most successful animation studio. Apple bought Next. I returned to Apple, and the technology we developed at Next is at the heart of the Apple's current renaissance. Renaissance meaning is here, that is rebirth. And Lauren is the name of his wife, and I have a wonderful family together. This is his second story. Sometime life hits you in the head with a brick. This is an idiom. What does it mean? Gives you a great shock suddenly. Now everything was working very fine. The first incident of his life he tells us about is his college education, where he took the most important decision, that he gave up college studies and he went for calligraphy. Calligraphy later helped him when he developed Mac computer. Then he became successful. He had, after 10 years, a $2 billion company along with his friend Steve Wozniak, and then from there only he gets fired. This is the second story where he loses everything, love and lost, and then he starts again another company called Pixar, where he meets Lauren, they get married, they have a good family, and suddenly he gets a shock. Don't lose faith. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. He gives us advice in the speech to the students. What is the advice? Is the advice given by Steve Jobs? He said, never lose faith in your life. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you want to have a great work, see, work everyone does. But if you want to do something really great, then love the work that you do. You're a student, so love studies. Don't get bored. Make a timetable. Put a proper timing to your studies. Love education. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Don't wait down. Keep looking for it. My third story is about death. The third story that Steve Jobs tells us is about death. About a year ago, I was diagnosed with cancer. My doctor advised me to go home and get my affairs in order, which is the doctor's code for prepare to die. Prepare to die is a phrase here. What does it mean? When the doctor told him that you have to put things in order, that means it's a code language. You have to understand that you're not going to live more. When he was diagnosed with a cancer, and that too, it was a very rare cancer. I lived with that diagnosis all day. Later that evening, I had a biopsy. Biopsy is the procedure where a small collection of cell or tissues, you can say, is cut and then taken and then sent for examination. It turned out to be a very rare form of pancreatic cancer, pancreas cancer, that is curable with surgery. Surgery means operation. I had the surgery and I'm fine now. So see, in life he became so successful, but suddenly he had the third shock. What was the third shock? He was diagnosed with a cancer. Whole day he was worried about it. Later on, he was told that he's suffering from pancreatic cancer. Doesn't matter. All you can do is just go for surgery. He goes for surgery, and then he says, I am fine now.